Hi, everybody. So I am always kind of tweaking and streamlining, and one of the things I've decided to do is to change your announcements to hopefully make them more helpful and less overwhelming. So once a week, I'm going to post what you need to do for the entire week, early in the week, typically for you guys on Monday. I will have this posted, and it will give you a list of the things that you need to do in both 11 and 101 for the whole week. And then underneath, I will post a video for you to watch. So I'll post this video right there, and the video will go over everything you need to know for the week. So instead of having lots of reading assignments and lots of videos to watch, what I want you to do is use this announcement, and I'll send you an email, I think, letting you know when the announcements post. Use this announcement as a guide and a checklist. This is what you need to do this week. So this week in 11, you need to post a response on the research and problem solving discussion board. I broke this into Tuesday and Thursday because I've been noticing that not enough people are responding on the discussion posts to allow others to respond. So I want to make sure that everybody gets a chance to post on the board and then respond to one another. So this problem solving discussion board in 101, you're going to answer a couple questions on it. I think there's three main kind of prompts to respond to, just one complete sentence for each of the questions, basically. And then here, you're going to respond to what a peer says. And then I've included a link over to the 101 course. On the 101 course, I want you to post in response to one of the prompts on the 101 critical thinking and fake news discussion board. And then I want you to do that. You should do that by Friday. And then by Sunday, I want you to find a classmate's post and respond to it. And that's all you have to do. You have to make 4 discussion posts this week. That's it. So if we look at the research and problem solving discussion board, these are the questions. So you're just going to need to answer these 3 questions. And as always, you can create a text response, like you can write in the discussion board, type it up. You could make a video and post it on the discussion board, just answering these questions, whichever is easiest for you. I just want to hear your thoughts. If you look at the why I want you to do it, it's so we get an idea of the research process and we start talking about how you do research, because over in 101, we are going to begin researching sources and evaluating sources. So this is just a chance to talk about how we find sources in the first place. So the first question is, how do you answer questions or find solutions outside of school? What do you do next if you didn't find good answers that way? What's more important during research, quality or quantity? Why? What's a library database? Does Delaware Tech have any? If you don't know, how can you figure that out? Use your critical thinking skills. Answer those 3 questions, 1 or 2 sentences for each of the bullet points, and then you're done. Then you will respond to what a peer said. So somebody's going to post, and you might want to say something like, oh, that's great. I'm so glad you mentioned where to find the Delaware Tech Library databases. I was having trouble with that. Or you might say, oh, that's a great point about quality research. Or, oh, yeah, it's a good idea to start out by looking at places like Google and Wikipedia. But if you can't figure it out, just give little kind of responses and pieces of advice. We go back. Doing that will take care of those 2. In the 101 course that's linked, you're going to want to go to the discussion board. So go to activities, discussions, because what you're working on is this discussion board, critical thinking and fake news. You have 2 options. Choose one option. For each of the options, you're going to watch a video, and then you're going to answer the questions that go with it. Watch a video, answer the questions that go with it. And then by Sunday, you're going to respond to a peer. So that's really all that you have to do. You have a couple different responses. I've broken them up through the week, but you really only need to post on discussion boards 4 times. So my suggestion and my recommendation is to do this one first. Not this one. Where'd it go? There we go. Do this one first. Get the 011 done. Then the 101. And that's all you have to do. If you have any questions, email me.